This video is about autumn, the season that teaches everyone that every stage of life has its beauty, meaning, and magic. Susu says hi and bye. Also, welcome to our channel. This time of the year the world is changing colors, turning from vivid green to golden orange. I must tell you I was pretty amazed when I first heard that not all countries have 4 seasons. Where I live you can see all the trees wave goodbye to summer and relax in the warmth of the new season. Almost every plant is turning to yellow, orange and red. Gold warm tones of autumn are all around, ready to give inspiration to every passerby, no matter their destination. Everyone can stay still for a second to admire the beauty of nature. People used to decorate their homes according to the season for thousands of years. Keeping the tradition alive, I am sharing with you how I made a small wreath to decorate the home here and some pumpkin carving that we did together with my sister. The pumpkin part is later on the video. For the wreath, I have used materials that I have gathered from our garden, like dead branches and some orange-brown leaves. As you can see, I will be twisting branches for quite some time in order to create the circle shape that we want and make the wreath solid enough so it won't fall apart with a little bit of touching. The truth is that autumn wreaths are harder than spring ones. These branches keep breaking. That's why, while making the wreath, I had to use some rock to secure everything in place. I really like keeping things simple so I don't tend to overcrowd my creations. I prefer using all natural materials where I can. I have used some small chopped branches that resemble cinnamon sticks since I didn't have them available at that time. I have also tied a bow with some golden ribbon to give the wreath a richer look. We find magic in the simplicity of things. I thought that the best thing to complement the wreath was the addition of some flowers. I decided to use chrysanthemums. They are the best plant to decorate your home for this season. These flowers come in a lot of colors, but the warm tones are what suits the weather the most. I really love red and orange ones. They make the space feel more cozy and safe. Of course, you can use any type of flower that you like or have available at that time. I really love looking for flowers that have warm colors like red, orange, and yellow because they work like a charm for projects like these. I have also put branches without twisting them around with the aim to create an asymmetry on the circle. This way we break the circle in a clever and amazing way. Did you know that Halloween is based on the Celtic festival with the name that popped up on the screen right now because I can't pronounce its name? It was celebrating the end of summer and the beginning of the new year on November 1st in ancient Britain and Ireland. It was believed that during you know what, the souls of those who had died that year traveled to the other world, and the other souls would return to visit their homes. Later, in the 8th century, the Roman Catholic Church moved All Saints' Day to November 1st, while moving the Halloween back to October 31. The origin of pumpkin carving actually comes from an Irish myth about Stinky Jack, who tricked the devil. According to the legend, Jack invited the devil himself to have a drink with him. He tricked the devil to avoid pain. After Jack's death, as a punishment, God did not allow him into heaven and the devil didn't let him into hell. Jack was cursed to eternally wander the earth in the middle of the night, with only a single coal to light his way. Jack would place his light inside a hollowed turnip. This is where the name Jack of the Lantern or Jack-o'-lantern came from. In Ireland, people started the tradition of carving demonic faces out of turnips and other vegetables to frighten away Jack's wandering soul. So, pumpkins as the main decoration of that day came a little later. Instead, turnips and other root vegetables were used during the older years. I don't actually think that the rabbit that I have been carving in the video is terrifying, but my sister's pumpkin passes these vibes. XiaoBai wishes you to have a wonderful Halloween and start of the winter.